Hi everybody, welcome back to Horsingabout. We're still horsing about. For any new people, hope you enjoyed the videos. There's a few up there. We seem to be taking a different tack now that I've retired and not trimming as many other horses as I was. Enjoy. Time to head off to the new runoff with the new tractor Barry, round bale on the back. This will be the first time the guys will have ever seen this beast. They used to be fairly familiar with the old Fortune, so I guess we'll see how we go when we get there, how they react to this. Luckily the runoff's not too far away from where we're living, only a few minutes by tractor, which means we can run gear backwards and forwards. We've still got a bit of fencing to do on the place. Got to ram in another 25 odd steel posts on the boundary, a couple of strainer posts, a couple of gate posts, and we're going to see if we can do that the front end loader on the tractor, see if we can push them in rather than bash them in. At the present time the guys are only running on about 10 acres we've got fenced off with the electric fence just out there, as you can see. Go better with the forks. The front end loader is a whole new venture for us. It's got a 4-in-1 bucket on it, which takes a bit of getting used to, and shifting the feeder. I guess this is a first try, seemed to work alright. Much more exploring to do in the future. See that paddock needs harrowing. I can almost hear what those guys are thinking. Well, looks like there's some hay, but what in the hell's brought the hay down? Don't know about this. Better check it out quietly. A little bit of familiarity, but better have a closer look. What's up, Tess? Well, we're out of here. Don't know about this. I guess a lot of people would wonder why we bother feeding hay with this amount of feed around. I guess because they're all so skinny and not in real good nick, they need a bit of extra. There again, the whole thing is they've always had, all their life for the last 15 odd years, most of them, hay available 24/7 with whatever else they've got to eat. I've never had a founder and never had much hoof trouble doing things this way, and the feed was pretty rich when we put them in here. Misty the Magnificent. is curious and curiouser. She checks everything out, front to back. Bit of a smell, bit of a lick. What do you reckon, Dad?
What do you reckon?
Well, that's it for today until we come back next time and do the fencing. Really looking forward to sticking them out on the other 50 acres and just see how they perform when they got such a big area to run over. So much for them to explore. Another dam, creek, all the diggings. Looking forward to it. Anyway, all the best to everybody. Hope everybody's well and healthy. And we'll catch you next time around. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Would help out a lot. Thank you. Bye.